Hey, everyone, imagine this. You are in your kitchen right now, and you reach for that trusty mixing bowl. It is just a simple tool, right? But what if I told you that this everyday object holds secrets to human history, culture, and even creativity that span thousands of years? Stick around, because today we are diving deep into the surprising cultural significance of mixing bowls. And trust me, you will never look at them the same way again. Welcome back to the channel, folks. I am so excited to be here with you today, exploring a topic that might sound a little quirky at first, but is honestly so fascinating. Mixing bowls are not just kitchen staples. They are time capsules of human ingenuity and tradition. Whether you are a foodie, a history buff, or just someone who loves a good story, this video has something for you. We are going to uncover where mixing bowls came from, how they evolved over time, why they matter in cultures around the world, and even some wild facts that will blow your mind. So grab a snack, maybe something you mixed up in a bowl, and let us get started on this delicious journey together. Let us kick things off with the origin story of mixing bowls. Picture this. It is thousands of years ago, and early humans are figuring out how to survive. They need something to hold food, mix ingredients, or even store leftovers if they had any. Archaeologists have found evidence of bowl-like objects dating back to around 10,000 BCE. These were not fancy stainless steel or ceramic bowls like we have today. No, these were simple vessels made from clay, stone, or even hollowed-out gourds. Back then, people used whatever they could find in nature. Imagine someone shaping wet clay with their hands, baking it in the sun, and realizing they now had a tool to mix grains or mash up roots. That was a game changer. In ancient Mesopotamia, one of the cradles of civilization, clay bowls became essential for preparing bread dough or fermenting early versions of beer. Mixing bowls were not just about cooking. They were about survival. Fast forward a bit to ancient Egypt, and we see bowls taking on new roles. Egyptians used them to mix ingredients for cosmetics, like kohl for their iconic eye makeup, alongside food prep. These early mixing bowls were unglazed and rough, but they laid the foundation for something bigger. They showed us that humans were not just eating to live, they were starting to create, experiment, and build communities around shared meals. Now, let us talk about how mixing bowls evolved over time. As civilizations grew, so did their tools. By the time we hit ancient Greece and Rome, mixing bowls were getting more sophisticated. Greeks had these wide, shallow bowls called craters, used to mix wine with water, a big deal in their social gatherings. Romans took it up a notch with metal bowls, often bronze, showing off their wealth and craftsmanship. Then came the Middle Ages, and things got practical. Wooden bowls started popping up across Europe. They were lightweight, easy to carve, and perfect for peasant families mixing porridge or dough. But here's where it gets interesting. The Industrial Revolution changed everything. In the 18th and 19th centuries, mass production meant mixing bowls could be made from materials like tin, copper, and eventually glass. Suddenly, these tools were not just for the rich, they were in every home. The 20th century brought the real gloop. Think about those iconic Pyrex glass bowls from the 1910s, durable, heat-resistant, and oh so stylish. Then, in the 1950s, stainless steel bowls became the kitchen MVPs we know today. They are lightweight, unbreakable, and perfect for everything from whipping cream to tossing salads. And do not get me started on modern silicone bowls, foldable, colorful, and eco-friendly. Mixing bowls have come a long way from clay lumps to high-tech kitchen gear, and each step reflects how we humans adapt and innovate. Okay, so why do mixing bowls matter beyond the kitchen? Let us zoom out and look at their cultural significance. In so many societies, mixing bowls are symbols of togetherness. Think about your family gatherings, Thanksgiving, Diwali, Lunar New Year. Someone is always in the kitchen with a mixing bowl, stirring up something that brings everyone together. In Mexico, for example, the Melcajita stone mixing bowls, sacred for grinding spices and making salsa. It is not just a tool. It is a link to Aztec traditions. In Japan, mixing bowls play a starring role in tea ceremonies and miso soup prep, tying into ideas of mindfulness and balance. Over in West Africa, large communal bowls are used to mix fufu or stews, shared by families or even whole villages. The act of mixing becomes a ritual, a way to connect. Even in pop culture, mixing bowls have a vibe. Remember those old cooking shows with chefs tossing ingredients like it is an art form? Or how about baking competitions where the mixing bowl is practically a co-star? These tools carry stories of heritage, of creativity, of home. They remind us that food is not just fuel. It is culture, love, and identity all stirred together. Before we wrap up, let us sprinkle in some fun facts about mixing bowls that might surprise you. Did you know the largest mixing bowl ever made was over 10 feet wide? It was created in 2015 for a charity event and could hold enough cookie dough to feed thousands. Here is another one. In the 1800s, some mixing bowls were so valuable they were passed down as heirlooms. Families would engrave them with names or dates, turning them into treasures. Oh, and get this, scientists once found a 2,000-year-old Roman mixing bowl with traces of porridge still inside. Talk about a time capsule. And for the bakers out there, mixing bowls have a secret superpower. Their shape affects how dough rises. A wide, shallow bowl speeds up fermentation, while a deep one keeps things slow and steady. Who knew a bowl could be so sneaky? So, there you have it, folks. The cultural significance of mixing bowls in all its glory. From ancient clay pots to sleek modern designs, these humble tools have shaped our kitchens, our cultures, and our lives. They are not just about mixing ingredients. They are about mixing people, traditions, and stories. Next time you grab your mixing bowl, take a second to appreciate its journey. It is a small thing with a big legacy. If you loved this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more quirky history lessons. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite thing to make in a mixing bowl? I want to hear all about it. And if you know someone who is obsessed with cooking or history, share this video with them. They will thank you later. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, you amazing people. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep mixing it up in the kitchen and beyond. Bye for now.